Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads on your Toyota Land Cruiser. First, gather all your necessary tools like a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. Make sure you have your new brake pads and fresh brake fluid ready. Safety is key, so always wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe brake pad replacement. Now, let's get started. Begin by safely lifting your Land Cruiser and removing the wheel to access the brake assembly. Next, locate the caliper bolts, typically 2 of them, and carefully unbolt the caliper. Once the caliper is loose, gently remove it and set it aside without straining the brake line. You can then easily slide out the old, worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper and bracket thoroughly to remove any brake dust or debris. Then, use a C-clamp or a specialized tool to carefully compress the caliper piston back into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Finally, insert your new brake pads into the bracket and carefully reassemble the caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened correctly. You're almost done. Reattach the wheel and carefully lower your Land Cruiser back to the ground. Before driving, get inside and pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This helps seat the new pads and builds hydraulic pressure. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive at low speed in a safe area to ensure the brakes are working correctly and feel responsive. Congratulations, you've changed your brake pads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.